you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never a try.
I'm changing over to Venom waders. They look pretty cool. Let's see what we can get right now. Yeah, it probably was my sock that was bunching up.
What's a good email address? Because I want to mail you a receipt. Email your receipt small.
So, what are you doing over here?
Trying these on. These are tight. How did they look?
They're good.
Getting that foot in is the one that's. Maybe I should have put my right in first.
I thought you were a big girl now. That you can put you can dress yourself. Oh, because the boot comes all the way up. Okay. Are you good? Oh, it fell out?
Yeah, it's for your zipper.
Oh, okay.
So when you get home, just put this on the zipper.
Oh, just
and
like
it makes the zipper a lot easier to move back and forth, but it also makes it more waterproof.
Yeah,
it's already a waterproof zipper.
My Yeti one, I got to chapstick it and stuff.
And that's basically what that stuff is.
Okay. All right, thanks.